Hello everyone, welcome to True Soul and Seafood. We're going to be making grilled lobsters today. But first, we want to wash the lobsters. We want to make sure they're nice and clean. Okay guys, after you wash your lobsters in cold water, then you can let them soak in lemon juice for a while. Maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. Our lobster has been soaking in lemon water. Now we're going to take our cooking scissors and we're going to go straight down the middle of this lobster. Be very careful not to cut yourself with these scissors. And there you have it, a nice half lobster. We're going to season our lobsters now. They've been soaking in some lemon water for about 15 minutes. So we got some Kickin Chicken, black pepper, onion powder, missing my garlic powder, Old Bay, parsley flakes, and instead of garlic powder, I'm using minced garlic, Cayenne pepper, and also Goya Sazon seasoning. So I took some minced garlic and I put it on my lobster tails, and now I'm sprinkling some Sazon over them. And then I'm going to take a little Cayenne pepper. I like it a little spicy. And it gives it great color. Then, of course, you guys know I put Kickin Chicken on everything. Yes, especially my lobster tails. And then we have some Old Bay. And this is just sprinkle a little bit, whatever you like. And then we'll add some parsley. Gives it a nice little color. A little onion powder. And of course, another one of my favorites, fresh cracked black pepper. There you have it, and we're ready to marinate. Okay guys, we're gonna mix this all in together. Get them nice and seasoned. All right, we're gonna take these old lemon slices out and put them to the side. And now you wanna get your nice fresh lemon and squeeze that juice all over those nice, delicious lobsters. And it's okay. If the seeds come out, that's fine. And now we can, last step, let's put them in the fridge. And we'll put. So after these have marinated for about 30 minutes, we're gonna take them and put them in our grill pan with oil and butter. And now we're gonna let our lobsters cook about 7 minutes on each side. Cover with aluminum foil to trap in the steam. After you remove the aluminum foil, our lobsters are done. This is True Soul and Seafood. Bon appetit!